Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, October 31st. Generally a firmer tone in the overnight session. Wheat market's up around fractionally, the corn market up around 3 cents, beans up 7, meal up 2.5 bucks, and the soybean oil market up around 25 points as we speak. The highlight early this morning, is going to be our weekly export sales numbers. This is going to be a 3-week combination of sales since the government had been shut down. And as a result, mainly being led by Chinese ideas of buying, the export sales are expected to be quite strong this morning, in the neighborhood of around 1 million tons of wheat, 2 to 3 million tons of corn and beans, maybe close to 1 million tons of meal, and in the neighborhood of around 100 to 200,000 tons of soybean oil. So those large numbers, which has been anticipated, is probably leading to a lack of selling interest over the past couple of days and even in the overnight trade as we await those in the coming minutes. The other news that we had out overnight was today was the first notice day for the November contract. We didn't have any beans registered, and that panned on out where we didn't have any bean deliveries. And that's helping the nearby spread, Jan bean spread here this morning, as that's kind of making new highs for the move. So we'll keep an eye on cash markets, registrations, and deliveries as we work our way through the rest of the delivery period. Yesterday we also got updated on the Commitment of Traders report. We're now as updated as of October 15th. The Commitment of Traders report as of that closing period showed that the wheat trade, that being the managed money, kind of built on their small net long position. The managed money added to their net short position in corn. They added to their net long position in soybeans, took off a little bit of their net long position in meal, and added to their net short position in soybean oil. So we generally still have the trade short the corn and the soybean oil, long the beans and the meal. And then since the government came on back, the biggest surprise has been the switch in the wheat positions going from net short to net long. Other than that, we've got a big rain system moving through the Midwest at this point in time. Good news, bad news. It helps recharge the soils for the going forward, but it's also slowed down the harvest progress. Cash market's still generally firm as we wait some more aggressive farmer selling, but that really hasn't come to roost as of yet. We're also seeing some decent weather starting to return for Argentina, staying that way in Brazil, so no calamities, at least starting down there at this point in time. We'll get a cattle on feed report after the close today, and that is also a makeup from a delayed report. Other than that, like I said, we'll be waiting to see what weekly sales say here this morning. It is anticipated, and as the day wears on, we'll see if the markets don't kind of regress after those numbers come on out, because tomorrow we're going to get private forecasters coming out with bean and corn production estimates for the November 8th report, and the ideas of large yield, large production may weigh on the buying interest as we move forward. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.
126, 169.79. I'm selling as DC.